All right, today's lesson is called 3.7, Graphing Systems of Equations. You are going to be given two equations, maybe y equals 2x plus 4 and y equals 3. And the goal of this is to find out the point where these two lines cross each other. So we are trying to find a point where when we graph these two lines, where do these two lines meet? And that is the goal of this lesson, to find the point known as the solution point of where these two graphs meet or cross each other. Here's our first example. What you're going to do is you're going to use what you already know. We're going to look just at this first equation here. Y equals x minus 2. So when I look at the equation y equals x minus 2, I know my slope is 1 and my y-intercept is negative 2. I will plot the point 0, negative 2, and from there I will rise up 1 and run 1. Rise 1, run 1. I will continue. I will make all the points that are on this line. I can continue in the other direction as well by going down 1 and to the left. All of these are my points on y equals x minus 2. Next, we are going to plot or graph this line. Y equals 4. When I look at this, I don't see an x, which means that the slope is 0. Y equals 4 is every point on the line where y equals 4. It is a flat line with a slope of 0. This point right here, that is our solution point. That is the point where these systems meet. The solution for y equals x minus 2 and y equals 4 is this point right here, which is called 6, 4. Let's try another example. All right. My first equation that I'm going to look at is y equals x plus 8. In this equation, I know my slope is 1, my y-intercept is 8. I will begin by plotting 0, 8, my y-intercept. My slope, rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1. I can also go in the reverse direction so I can get all of the points on the other side of the line. Alright, so all of those blue dots make the line y equals x plus 8. Now I will graph y equals negative 2. There is no x, so it has a slope of 0. This means every point where y is negative 2, and it is a flat line. So this is y equals negative 2. You can see that they meet at this point right here. That point is ordered pair negative 10, comma, negative 2. Always do x, which was negative 10, and then look over at your y, which was negative 2. So the solution for this system is negative 10, negative 2. The solution for the system means the point where these two equations cross each other or intersect. Next, let's graph this equation. Y equals x minus 5. Y equals x minus 5. The slope is 1. The y-intercept is negative 5. I will begin at 0, negative 5. and I have a slope of 1, up 1, over 1. I'm making all of the dots so that I have a straighter line since I don't have a straight edge for the Smart Notebook, but you should be able to use your ruler to get a straight line. This is y equals x minus 5. Next equation, y equals 6. Y equals 6 has no x, it is a flat line. Y equals 6. I have found a point where they intersect. Right here is the solution for the system. They cross at 11, comma 6. 11 is on the x, and 6 is on the y. X, comma y. Every ordered pair, x first, then y. So the solution for these two equations is 11, 6. Our final example. First thing I'm going to do is graph that line. I'm going to start at 6. My slope is 1. And then I'm going to draw my line. Again, I made all these points so that I could have a somewhat straight line without using a straight edge. Y equals x plus 6. And the next one is y equals negative 4. That is a flat line. I have found a point of intersection. They intersect right here. And that point is the solution. Negative 10, comma, negative 4.